If someone asks you, how many books are there in Samoan? Or they say, "Efie tusi." If you know how to say the number in Samoan, then you would just use the tense marker e and then say the number. If you wanted to say 2 books, you would just say elua tusi. Tusi is books. Another way to state this is just to start with tusi. But since tusi is a noun or subject, then we're going to start the sentence off with a subject phrase. And we know that our subject phrases start with the o. O tusi elua. O tusi elua. Or we could say elua tusi. Now with elua tusi, remember that we don't need the subject phrase o when it follows its description. So elua, then we just say tusi. But when we start with the tusi, or we start with our noun, then we use our noun tense marker o, and then the noun itself. O tusi elua. As you can see, the e is how we present the amount of a noun. You would do this with all numbers except 1, because 1 is singular. And because it's singular, we need to state our noun phrase in a singular form. Ole tusi e tasi. The le makes it a singular tusi, and tasi is 1.